What's going on, guys? Hey, it is Anthony and it is Garage Talk time. It's early in the morning here. So what are we doing today? We're gonna do something a little different. It's kind of an exciting video. So nothing with the Camaro yet. We've got some stuff planned for that. That's coming soon. Obviously we got the new F150. What we're gonna do today is, let me take you over to the truck. So let's take a look at it. As you can see, the bed of the truck is kind of a mess, so we will be getting that Rhino line. But I did find on good old Craigslist a charcoal Ford Raptor tonneau cover. So we are running into Anchorage, actually the far side of Anchorage, and we're gonna go pick that up and install it real quick because I got a smoking deal on it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna grab the GoPros, we're gonna load up, and we're gonna hit the road. So let's go. All right, guys, so we are on the road and en route into the far side of Anchorage. Like I said, I got a smoking deal on a nice looking Lear Ford Raptor charcoal gray tonneau cover. I went and looked at it yesterday. So we're on the road at 7:30 in the morning and we're going to meet up with the guy and really just install it on the truck. Now, obviously I don't have any other charcoal gray on this truck, so as a future plan, I'm actually looking at a charcoal gray grill, and I'm also looking at possibly a graphic or something, or a decal on the truck as well. We'll see kind of how that goes, but really the overall plan with this truck, you know, unlike the Denali, in which I love, the Denali to me was like the Cadillac of trucks. I didn't really want to do a whole lot to it because it had the Magnarod suspension, it had the what I thought was nice 20s, it rode and drove just beautifully, it had a ton of options. It had the tonneau cover, it was Rhino line bed, it had the tube steps, I threw the mud flaps on it. I could go on and on. It had the LED headlights, or HID or whatever, the Xenon special headlights that the Denalis come with, and the fog lights, so forth and so on, and a crap load of features. This truck, for its time, which was 2012, has a ton of features on it. Some of those features are a little aged, so it's taken me a little bit of time to, and it'll still take me time to kind of remember how certain things work. But the plan with this truck is I'm going to make it more or less an all-around truck. I want to do a little bit of off-roading because of some photography, and I want to get to a couple of places that I was a little bit hesitant to get to with the Denali because I didn't lift it, I didn't have big wheels or tires or any of that stuff on it. But the plan with this truck, like I said, is I'm going to get obviously the cover for it for the back there. I'm going to do some lighting upgrades, more or less just make it an all-around truck with a little bit better off-road capabilities. I will be doing some performance upgrades with it as well, but not right away. Really, to me, I want to get it lifted up a little bit. I do have those tires that I showed you guys in the last video. Those come out to about a 33, which is nice because that'll give me a couple more, you know, inch and a half to almost 2 inches of clearance over the Scorpion ATRs that are currently on the truck, which is nice. But that's really the plan at the moment. Again, we're on the road this morning. It is 43 degrees outside, so it's a little chilly. Still got snow on the mountains. So we're gonna go meet up with this guy, install it, and then I'll pull off maybe somewhere and I'll show you guys what this looks like. So, and then I'll talk to you a little bit more about what we're gonna do with the truck and some of the other things. But until then, let's pay attention to the road and keep going. All right, guys, so we are actually in a parking lot at the moment. I don't know why I'm coming off so bright at the moment, but anyways, we just picked up the new tonneau cover. this is what it looks like. It is the Lear. It is off of a Raptor. So let me get back here. I do have to do some adjustments to it, but it is nice. It's lockable, all hydraulic lift, string hook to it. I'll take this off, but I'll do all the adjustments once I get it home. But there it is. It has the inner liner, locks down, fits perfect for anybody that has an F150, the Raptor, or if you have a Raptor. The tonneau covers do swap over, at least for the small or the short beds. You make sure it's in there. I do have to get some tape to tape the front seal, so let me show you that real quick, but it doesn't look too bad. It is a charcoal color. I think I'm gonna either switch my grill or paint the grill charcoal to match, but there's a seal right down here that I'm gonna get some tape. I gotta get some Velcro. It has some Velcro padding on it, just to make sure it's nice and tight. But other than that, I mean, this thing's in good condition. If I don't end up changing some of the paint over or painting the grill or whatever, what I'll probably do is get this painted to match the black on the truck. I don't know yet. We'll see. I got it for a smoking deal. I needed a cover for it, obviously, with doing stuff. I don't like having my bed open, so that's what it is. Let's get back on the road, get home, and then we'll go from there. But this is one of many upgrades you'll see to the truck here in the near future, so let's go. Alright guys, so we are back in the truck and we are en route to head back home. We got a lot of other things to do, but like I said, I've got quite a few plans for this truck. You guys will get to see unfold. You're going to see some F150 install videos, some odds and ends. I'm not sure exactly which direction I want to go with a couple of things, but so far everything's going pretty good as far as getting some updates for the truck and just getting some stuff knocked out. So I'm very happy with that. The tonneau cover is a big thing, like I said, because I like to carry a lot of stuff. So especially if I'm going out to shoot some video or bringing the drones and some cameras, and then of course the baby stroller and all of that stuff. So it's kind of an important tool that I utilize a lot, and that's just to secure the bed of the truck. So that's pretty wicked. We also got a lot of other things we're going to get ready to order to just kind of add onto the truck. Some of it's just, to me, basic stuff that should have been on this truck, that for whatever reason either was removed when the person traded it in, or they just never got them. Mud flaps, you know, wheel well liners, stuff like that, that I think you should have pretty much on any and every truck that you own, simply to kind of keep the maintenance down and the wear and tear down, and so you can keep your car in kind of the best possible shape, car or truck in the best possible shape that you can. But unfortunately this guy didn't have it, so that's kind of the plan there. I think the next video that we're going to end up shooting and going over is I've got to do an oil change on the V-Rod, so that thing's ready to run, and we're gonna go get the Camaro's oil changed and just try to get everything kind of ready. Cool part is, with switching the truck and doing all this kind of stuff, no, it's not a Chevy. I get it. You know, I loved my Chevy Z71. I love my GMC. But this is just a better all-around situation financially. So that's, you know, the reason we're doing it. Obviously, I will get to do some stuff to this truck to kind of make it my version, or whatever you want to call it. So that's cool, but it also getting this stuff done as early as I am. You know, I've only had the truck a couple of days. For the video, it's probably spaced out a little bit more than that, but to pick up a couple of things that I wanted for the truck and in some regard needed. So that's always nice, and we got a lot of plans for this, the motorcycles, and the Camaro, of course. So make sure and stay tuned. And you guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure hit that subscribe button. We do appreciate it. As we grow our channel, all of the stuff we do to the vehicles, to the garage, everything kind of grows with it. So the bigger we get, the more stuff that you guys get to see. So of course, share these videos. Let's really get the Wrenched Out Garage talk, and everything else just on a good upward movement. Everything is going well so far, so I appreciate you guys that are watching the content, sharing, liking, subscribing, all of that as well. Don't forget we're on Instagram, Facebook, if you guys just so happen to be on those social media platforms as well. Hey, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here for today, as essentially I've got a good hour and a half drive heading back to the Mat-Su Valley here in Alaska. But until next time, guys, hey, if you're out on the road, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.